Hey guys, Mark from markmatthews.com technology blog, back out in the backyard at dusk, trying to get this in before it gets dark. It's Amazon Prime Day, and in honor of that, I thought I'd do a review on a newer Amazon Echo product that came out in December of this year. This is the Amazon Input. So what's unique about this guy is, in one way, it's kind of similar to a Dot, small device, connects to the Amazon network, Wi-Fi, of course, plug it in. But this guy's different. It does not have a built-in speaker. So what's unique about this and why you would want that, is basically they give you two ways to input this or connect it to your own speaker device. One is there is a 3.5 millimeter jack that they do give you a cable. I think it's a couple feet long, a male-to-male 3.5 millimeter cable, or it's built-in Bluetooth. So it has the Wi-Fi in here. Of course, it needs Wi-Fi to connect to the Amazon network. And then it has the Bluetooth. So if you have a very nice home system and you want to sort of just control, and you add the Alexa features to your home system, or as you'll see, what I'm doing here is I have speakers on the outside of my house and a dedicated little amplifier system. You can use this guy connected to the network to control things. Now, before we get any further with this, I just want to say I have not been paid by Amazon to do this review. I bought this thing with my own money about a week and a half ago. I am going to provide you some affiliate links, and what that means is I'm going to show you a bunch of different products, and I'm going to give you direct links to them on the Amazon. If you want to order those products, go ahead, click that link. I do get a small little sort of credit with Amazon if someone were to purchase through those links. It costs you no extra money, but I just want to be clear enough front so you guys realize this is just me and my own opinions. So watch on. Thanks. All right, so this is looking out over the backyard. As you see, we have a nice swimming pool here. The woods continue on. We own that property back there. There's a horseshoe pit. I think I'm going to put a deck or something back there. We have the patio system here. I need to do a little cleaning up, but it looks pretty good. We have a tiki bar over there. While I have this running, you can see this device moving in the water. This is the Dolphin CC Plus, Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus pool cleaner. I did a review on that. Maybe I'll throw the link in again to that review. I've gotten a lot of great positive feedback on my real-world usage of this device. As you can see, I do use it. It's climbing the steps there. You can see it's working on cleaning the pool out. So anyway, we're going to come over here. Let me readjust the camera. I am using a DJI Osmo Pocket camera. This is that gimbal camera. All right, so here's one of my speakers. This is a Polk Audio speaker. I bought this in 2014. I just looked it up on Amazon. They are still available. I'll have links for that. Here's the other speaker. So basically I want to have some sound coming out of here. Feeding out into the backyard, and I'd like to be able to control it. So I'm going to go into the garage here, show you what I have the speakers plugged into. Let's hope that this is, that is locked. We'll go through the house here. Why didn't I check that in advance? There's my giant M&M guy. All right, well, we have some lighting here. I'll unlock this. All right, what we've done is I have two devices here. So I have a Pyle, I think it's what to say, the PCAU48BT. This is a Bluetooth based receiver. It's it's an amplifier, 120 watts, I think. So the speakers that I just showed you outside are plugged into this guy. And then this does not actually have the Bluetooth. Well, it has it in there, but I believe I turned it off. What I've done is I have also this Avantree unit. Now this thing is like 160 feet Bluetooth. It has two modes. In one mode, say you have a really nice stereo system and you want to go and mow your lawn and wear your Bluetooth headphones. You can broadcast from this out to those headphones. Now the second mode is the reverse of that, and that's what I'm doing. I actually can take a device, say an iPad, out into the yard that has Spotify streaming on it, send it all the way back to this device, and it'll pick the signal up. So this is wired with a 3.5 millimeter jack into here. So if you get the flow, I have device, Bluetooth to the white Avantree. The Avantree is connected to the 120 watt Pyle system, and that's where the speakers are. Now I've seen on Amazon they have a new product themselves that it looks like it's the two of these together, the amplifier and the Bluetooth. I'm considering it. I'm waiting to see if I can catch it on sale. So I have those two guys. I'm going to go back out this way now. And as you can see, as I said, the wires run right there. Now we're going to go back. All that's just set up. Now this isn't optimally configured right now. You know, in my master plan, I want to put this input, you know, mounted up in here or something. But let's just finally get this thing plugged in. So it is, you know, wall powered, 120 volts. So it just takes a little bit of time to connect to the Wi-Fi. So, you know, if you've used any of the Echo products, you just use the app. This thing, yeah, I think I just fired up the app and it popped up and it said, hey, you have a new device in your area. Do you want to connect it up? And it just worked. I do leave my amplifier and that Avantree just basically plugged in through the summertime and turned on at, I believe that means it's on. I just leave that connected so that whenever I want to run with this, I can. Oh, by the way, just the Avantree, what I was saying is when I connect that to my iPad from the Bluetooth, I can go out into the woods, and my Wi-Fi is also very good too. I need to do a video on that. I can go out into the woods, stream the Spotify into my iPad, and send the Bluetooth signal all the way back through the brick wall, and it'll play fine. All right, so let's try this. We have the Amazon input. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 7:54 p.m.
Alexa, what is the weather?
It's 83 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny skies. Tonight, you can look for clear skies with a low of 71 degrees.
Alexa, volume 8. Alexa, what is the Phillies score?
At the moment, the Phillies are tied with the Dodgers, 0-0 at the bottom of the third.
All right, so I put this on 8, as you could hear. I think if I've tried this before with 10. I don't have my Polk speakers perfectly matched up to the size of my PA system. I think my little amp actually puts out more power than the speaker, so I think 8 is a good number. Now let's just try this. Hopefully the Foo Fighters won't give me any problems with this, but Alexa, play some songs from the Foo Fighters.
Shuffling songs by Foo Fighters on Amazon Music.
So that's on 8. Now, by the way, the audio quality has nothing to do with the input in this scenario. This is more about the, oh, stepped on some glasses, about my speakers and PA. So that's on 8. Maybe I could go with a 9. The volume seems to be like anything less than 7 or 6 is just way too low, and then it just jacks up when you get to 8 or 9. Let's try 9. Alexa, volume 9. So just to be clear, what's happening in that little device, it is part of the audio equation, right? Because that little disc is Wi-Fi'd. There we go. Now we're kicking. That little disc is Wi-Fi'd into my system here. It's getting the connectivity. I think right now it's probably Amazon Music. I do have Spotify. And it's taking that sound and Bluetoothing it into my setup in the garage. Hopefully you guys can hear this. So you can tell, the guys, that at 9, that's a pretty good volume for being back here and just chilling. I used to have, or I still do actually, there's an Amazon Echo Plus, just a full Echo behind the bar that I was using originally. Now I'm going to go turn this down. Alexa, volume 5. Now, as I said, I'm doing this, hopefully Amazon and, I'm sorry, the Foo Fighters don't give me a problem on YouTube. All right, now let's try this thing. Alexa, patio lights on. Oh, dining room lights, hold on. Alexa, turn on the patio lights. Oh, I missed the dramatic flick on, but there they are. Alexa, turn off the patio lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on patio lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on deck lights.
I have a few skills that can help.
Oh, she didn't hear me. Alexa, turn off music. So what I did here is, as I was stumbling through that, in this case, actually, I don't want to turn this into a home automation video, but this was a lamp, outdoor lamp. I put a plug there, and then I'm using the Wink system, which is down in the basement, but I've replaced a couple of these switches with the GE ZWAVE switch. So they are mechanical switches. You can turn them on and off, but then at the same time, through the ZWAVE, which is going in the Wink, connected into the Alexa, I can control it. So I have the spotlight on, I have lights on in the house. So anyway, the main part of this video is about this guy. You know, you can see, for the price, yeah, I think when it first came out, it was priced at a point that was close to the Echo Dot, and people were kind of wondering why you would get this if it doesn't have the speaker, when you could just get the Dot. But I think they've changed that. I'm not allowed to really talk much about pricing in these videos to keep Amazon happy, but keep an eye on it. If you get it at the right price point, like the Amazon Prime deal, and you have a scenario like I do where you want either a separate sound system and you want to get the advantage of Alexa with that, definitely consider it. So that's it. Thanks, guys. Oh, and if you do order it, I'll put all the links for all these products, the pool cleaner, the Alexa device, the PA system, the Avantree. I'll have them all in the description of the YouTube and on the website.